Probiotics are made up of different microorganisms like yeast and bacteria, which are naturally found in the stomach, intestines, and vagina. They can help improve digestion and restore the normal balance of bacteria and yeast, especially if it has been affected by conditions like antibiotic use or travel. Up4 Probiotics Ultra 50 billion cell Capsule Antidiarrheal Formulations with gut flora microorganisms can be used to treat bowel problems, eczema, vaginal yeast infections, lactose intolerance, and urinary tract infections. They are available in foods like yogurt, milk, and juices, as well as in dietary supplements like capsules, tablets, and powders. It's important to check the label for information on the specific uses of the product you're using. When taking this supplement, it's important to be aware of the daily dosage and the best time to take it. Consulting with a healthcare professional is also important to ensure the safety and effectiveness of the product for your individual needs. When taking Up4 Probiotics Ultra 50 billion cell capsule, be sure to follow the directions on the product package. Depending on the specific product you have, the dose may need to be swallowed whole, chewed, sprinkled onto food, or mixed with liquid. If using the liquid form, be sure to measure the dose carefully with a special measuring device/spoon, not a household spoon. If you are taking antibiotics, it's important to note that some probiotic products, such as those containing live bacteria, may not work well when taken together with antibiotics. To ensure effectiveness, take any product containing live bacteria at least 2 to 3 hours before or after taking antibiotics, following the specific directions for your product. If you are using this product to treat diarrhea caused by antibiotics, do not continue use if you have a high fever or for more than 2 days, unless directed by your doctor. In these cases, you may have a serious problem that requires medical treatment. If your condition persists or worsens, or if you suspect a serious medical issue, seek medical help immediately. If you experience increased stomach gas or bloating while taking Up4 Probiotics Ultra 50 billion cell capsule, it's important to consult your doctor or pharmacist. Additionally, be sure to notify your doctor if you experience any serious side effects such as signs of infection. While rare, a serious allergic reaction to this product may occur, so seek medical help immediately if you notice symptoms such as rash, itching/swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. Remember, this is not a complete list of possible side effects, so be sure to contact your healthcare provider if you notice any other effects that are not listed. And as always, if you have any concerns about the side effects of this product, don't hesitate to reach out to your healthcare professional for guidance. Before starting to take this product, make sure to inform your healthcare provider if you have any allergies or if you are allergic to any of the ingredients in this product. Also, if you have any of the following health issues, it's important to consult your doctor or pharmacist before using this product: diarrhea lasting more than 2 days, weakened immune system, recurring vaginal infections, or recurring urinary tract infections. If you are using liquid products, foods, powders, or chewable tablets, be aware that they may contain sugar and/or aspartame. If you have diabetes, phenylketonuria, PKU, or any other condition that requires you to limit or avoid these substances in your diet, it's important to talk to your doctor or pharmacist about using this product safely. If you have a surgery scheduled, it's important to inform your doctor or dentist about all the products you are using, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. If you are pregnant, it's important to use this product only when clearly needed and to discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor. If you are breastfeeding, consult your doctor before using this product. It's important to be aware that probiotics like Up4 Probiotics Ultra 50 billion cell Capsule Antidiarrheal Formulations with gut flora microorganisms can interact with other medications, potentially affecting how they work or increasing the risk of serious side effects. This is not a complete list of possible drug interactions, so it's essential to keep a record of all the products you use and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. Do not make any changes to your medication dosage without consulting your doctor. Certain medications that may interact with probiotics include antibiotics and antifungals, such as clotrimazole, ketoconazole, griseofulvin, and nystatin. When taking Up4 Probiotics Ultra 50 billion cell Capsule Antidiarrheal Formulations with gut flora microorganisms, it's important to consider the potential for interactions with other medications, particularly antibiotics and antifungals like clotrimazole, ketoconazole, griseofulvin, and nystatin. Always consult with your doctor or pharmacist before making any changes to your medication routine. If someone has taken too much of this medication and is experiencing severe symptoms like fainting or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical help. You can call 911 or your local poison control center for assistance. In the US, you can reach the Poison Control Center at 1-800-222-1222, and in Canada, you can contact a provincial poison control center. Make sure to attend all your medical and lab appointments as scheduled. Some formulations may also include additional components like fiber or inulin. If you have any questions about the ingredients in the specific brand you are using, it's best to consult your doctor or pharmacist for clarification. If you forget to take a dose, simply take it as soon as you remember. However, if it's already close to the time for your next dose, then it's best to just skip the missed dose and continue with your regular dosing schedule. It's important not to take a double dose to make up for the missed one. When it comes to storing your probiotics, it's important to follow the instructions on the product package. Some may need to be refrigerated, while others should not be. If you're unsure, ask your pharmacist for guidance. And always remember to keep medications out of reach of children and pets. When it comes to disposing of your probiotics, make sure to properly discard them when they expire or are no longer needed. Do not flush them down the toilet or pour them into a drain unless specifically instructed to do so. If you're not sure how to dispose of them, consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.